So welcome to my room, guys. When you first walk in, there's a mirror. There's me and the shocking revelation that my hair is actually not naturally straight. I'm going to my friend's boyfriend's get together at his place later tonight, so I think this is probably what I'm wearing, plus actual shoes. I think that the operative word when I was decorating this place was just ivy. So as you can see, I put it everywhere. Here we have a poster from the interactive immersive Van Gogh exhibit that I went to back in summer in the city, which was amazing. I'm not sure if that's still going on, but if it is, you guys should definitely check it out. Then I have my little broom over here and dustpan. With these, they just really feel so studio nibbly to me. I think they're so cute. I have a pair of old point shoes hanging on the wall. I just kind of thought that was cute. Don't really use them anymore, but they should go to some purpose, right? We have my backpack over here. It's kind of golden hour, which makes most of the room look really shiny. This corner is a little bit dark, so just bear with me. But I have my little Stray Kids pens, Galbraith and Kenken, and super basic. Then I have my desk over here, more ivy. We love to see it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here are my books. This is a Columbia Book Club book because we have a book club which started during quarantine as a way for us all to kind of hang out together. It's been super fun and it's going to continue. I'm not sure if it's going to be in person, but I really hope it is. This is a course reader. I had to get it from the Village Copier and it has a lot of my creative writing readings. Then all these are law books for my freedom of speech and press class with the president of the university, which is, not absolutely terrifying at all. These are just some plant hangers that I'm probably going to put to use when I get some more of my little succulents from home. This is a gimbal, which I like to use for getting wide angle shots of campus. This is just a little phone holder to keep up my phone so that I can kind of get shots more easily and keep it really stable. Paper towels, Gerard Way Funko Pop that my friends gave me. More ivy. This shelf is pretty bare. I haven't had much to put on it just yet, but we'll see. I'll probably clutter it up as the semester goes on. This water bottle is filtered, which I love because, New York City water is really good, but it just lets me get a drink whenever and wherever. It's called Life Straw. 10 out of 10 recommend. Moisturizer. Some little perfumes back here. Here is my makeup mirror, so I like to kind of sit here at my desk, do my makeup, and then of course for studying, computer, notebook, Muji pens. I would stake my life on those things. I have so many of them in storage. Love these mild liner highlighters. They give me so much color in my life and I really need that, especially after the pandemic. Melatonin, because your girl has insomnia. A little harp music box from my music teacher. Over here is a little, wait, what are these called again? Oh my gosh, I know this part is a whiteboard. Corkboard, whiteboard and corkboard. A little affirmation on it. Let's go viral by the end of fall. No pressure, guys. Subscribe and like this video, speaking of. These are all little succulent pins. I think they're so cute. I just think they're the most precious things ever. And I put them up there because as the semester goes on, I think, I'll probably accumulate some tickets to different shows and things, and I can put them on there, but I haven't just yet, so they're waiting. Then over here, I just have some cute prints and stuff. So that's a print. My friend asked me if I painted that. I did not, sadly. And then these two, this one and this one, these are watercolors that a Columbia student actually gave me for free. Her name is Noelle. She does amazing work. Go check her out. This is a little, I guess a print that came with the pins that I got and I showed you guys on my backpack. I thought it was really cute and it went with the colors of the room, so I put it up. Can't forget to mention this little moon phases pendant. I tried to put it up to hide some of these specks on the wall that the previous residents left, but I don't know what a good job it's doing, but I think it looks cute, with the ivy, and then it matches the moon tapestry, so yeah, we're thriving. I have my lights up. I'll probably turn those on really soon. Some of you guys have asked where I got this tapestry from. So it's from like a tapestry store online that was having an end of year, like a closing sale, I think it was. But I've seen really similar ones on Amazon, so you can definitely get ones just like it. Here's my bed. I think I might try and get more pillows and stuff, but my blanket is so cozy, and it is my seal Polu, my favorite little guy ever. My phone is charging, and then over here I have this little side table that's been super useful. I usually put my water bottle on there before bed because I get so thirsty, and I have my toothbrush on there because it's electric and it like plugs into the outlet. You guys can see over here I have like a power strip, and the plug doesn't actually reach over to my sink, which I'll show you in a minute. So I like to leave my toothbrush plugged in over here. I have some tissues. This is a portable charger. I've had this for a really long time, and I swear by it. I bring it everywhere with me. This is my little wallet where I keep my ID card, credit cards, everything that I need. Here, next to my table, is my mini fridge with a little plant on it, a little snake plant. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, can I open it with one hand? I'm not sure. I might have to prop this up. Okay, cutting to, I finally got it open. I have this thing stocked with yogurt smoothies. And this is like a nice pack over here. Yeah, that is literally all that's in it, and I've already gone through some of them. There were actually a lot more before. I love these things for a quick breakfast when I'm running late because I'm not a morning person. Then over here, we have my sink. So I hung up 3 little command hooks right next to the sink. So I hang up my mask, little towel for washing my hands and drying them, and this is my little teddy bear headband I like to put on when I am washing my face at night and doing my skincare. Keeps my hair out of my face. There I am. Hey guys. Then we just have like my sink, which I think is really convenient to have. I appreciate it a lot. That's one of the reasons why when I unfortunately got a pretty bad lottery number and couldn't actually end up living with my suite, which is what we planned to do, and so we all had to split up, I decided to go for wean, and that was a really big reason why. So I have my hand soap. Literally just got this yesterday. Face soap. I'm expecting some more to come in the mail, but it hasn't yet, which is kind of stressing me out. Argan oil, another thing I swear by. Deodorant, razor, it's like so interesting, I know. And then down here, I just have some toiletries, some cleaning supplies. This is just like the instructions for my refrigerator and an extra shelf that I don't use and a plug. And I didn't really know what to do with them. I have my Glossier Body Hero Duo. This soap over here is just pretty heavy duty soap. It's for washing my masks, and I try to do that as much as possible just to keep them really sanitary and make sure I'm not spreading germs. Shampoo and conditioner, and then just some wipes from Morton Williams so I can keep things clean. So now let's look in my drawers. So this is mainly school supplies and like one row hair clip. So I have to put this on my phone. It's like a pop socket to make it easier to hold. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. These are AirPod skins, but I haven't really used those parts. I have a ton of different tapes, just backups and backups of tapes, scissors, and then these are all my folders for school. So I can try and get this one out. You guys can see what the handouts look like. That's my feedback on a student's poem. It's a packet of different poems. And syllabus is for advanced poetry workshop, which is like the second highest level of poetry workshop you can do at Columbia. Oh my gosh, I'm knocking this all over the place. One sec, guys. Okay, trying to get these back in some semblance of an order. They're all for my different classes, especially creative writing. They gave us a lot of handouts. I really like my creative writing classes. I'm taking 3 of them this semester, and they're all really good, really interesting. I'm taking 1 workshop and 2 seminars, which is the max that you can take in the major per semester, according to Columbia's rules. There's a little jewelry box over here. Oh, my Kindle. I love that thing so much. I mean, yeah, like you guys can see, I really don't have the room for a ton of books in here. So even though I'm a huge reader, that kind of sucks. So instead, Kindle. I don't know if you guys can hear, but one of my neighbors sings opera, so you might be hearing that. This is kind of my catch-all drawer. Like, these are sunglasses and blue light glasses, just in their little sachets. These are some makeup wipes over here, and like flossers, a scrunchie. I guess this is kind of like more of my caring for myself drawer, because I have like a ton of Airborne with like emergency extra toothpaste, like extra melatonin. And this is stuff that every college student needs, in my opinion. We have some like face masks in here, actually. Oh, here's another hair clip. But yeah, these are some face masks and things that, well, I was in the Columbia Mentoring Initiative, and they literally gave us face masks. So how sweet was that? A headband and some more flossers and a little jewelry box back there. Sorry, this is not the most organized drawer. I'm trying. Then we have this guy. This is, like, there's not that much in here. This is some makeup and skincare things. This is a little bag of like clean filters. So I try and clean my filters. I put these in my masks. They're little N95 filters. And if they're dirty, like I'll leave them out in the sun or something like that. I have some clean masks in here. This is for straightening my hair, which I need to actually do. I haven't gotten around to doing so. I had this tapestry up in my freshman dorm. You guys might remember it. I don't know if you ever really saw it, because I never got to do a dorm tour of that room because we were kicked off campus before I ever got around to it, which was really sad. But you can see it on my Instagram. I don't know if I'm gonna put it up here though. I think it does match the vibe, but I just don't have that much wall space. And this black thing is like a rainproof computer cover. So when it's raining, I can put my computer in that and put it in my backpack, and it'll stay safe and sound. Finally, this is my big guy drawer. This is just extras of literally everything. So I have extra protein bars in here. These are really good. I really like them. You know, chocolate chip and chocolate peanut butter. Probably gonna have one after this. These are extra lights, which I might put up at some point. I'm not sure. These are extra lights too. I might put them on my ceiling. I don't know. You guys should comment down below and tell me what you think I should do with these extra lights. If I should put them up or if you think the room is good enough. A ton of different just command strips and command hooks and everything. These are goggles, just in case like I'm in a bad situation where it's really crowded and I know I'm going in advance and I just want to protect myself from COVID. This white and yellow thing is actually a popcorn maker because your girl is a fiend for some popcorn. This is where I keep my shoes, literally just under my bed. I promise, like, these aren't just specs that I haven't swept up yet. I sweep this room all the time. They're just, I don't know, they're stuck to the floor. Maybe it's like the wood varnish scraped off or something, but they were there and they're not going away. My shower shoes are a little bit squished, but that's okay. I have some extra shoes back here, and then granola bars. I live off of these. They are my pride and joy. And this is the most helpful thing in my entire room. It's my little stool, because as you can see, my bed is really elevated so that I can make room for all my drawers underneath. And I mean, I'm pretty tall, but it's really hard to climb onto that thing. And so this little stool really helps. And let's check out my closet. So, just my towel. I put a command hook there to keep it hanging up. And then I have my closet organized by kind of clothing, not color or anything like that. So like I have some dresses over here, skirts. I just feel like that makes logical sense. The skirt I'm having on now usually goes here. Then pants that I feel like I do need to hang up. Sweaters and sweatshirts, but I have literally had no occasion to wear almost all of these or any of them so far, just because the weather has been amazing. Just my robe, a couple light jackets. Once again, have gotten zero use out of these. Cardigans. I have worn cardigans because I'm a huge cardigan fiend. What is supposed to be hanging here? Oh, that's the cardigan I'm wearing now. Then just some lighter shirts that were more delicate that I wanted to hang up. Oh my gosh, the white like collared shirts are so in right now. I have 3 of them. I definitely recommend 3 because this one is kind of like, I feel like this is good for wearing under things because it's thinner, so it's really good for wearing under a cute sweater vest or something. Then I have a short sleeved one, and then I have one that I feel like is good for wearing just on its own. It doesn't need something over it. And then just a couple more normal shirts, but I felt like they were more delicate, so I wanted to hang them up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is an extra Van Gogh poster. I actually didn't realize it was the same as the other one, so I'm gonna bring that back home next time I visit. This is where I keep my ballet stuff. So that's like my ballet skirt on the top, because I have ballet twice a week. And I've had this forever, and it has a little panda face on it, which I love. It's super old, but I mean, who could get rid of that adorable little face? Also, this bag, I think buying it helped the animals, so love pandas. Just, you know, my laundry basket. Let's get this out the way. These, oh my gosh, these are just all the IKEA bags I brought my stuff in. Oh my gosh, there's a ton of them. They're all empty, but I kind of keep them piled up over here. Oh, here is my yoga mat. This is just unseasonable stuff. I showed this in my move-in vlog, so you should go check that out. But these are like really heavy-duty sweaters. Oh my gosh. Thermal tights, things I'm not going to be wearing for a while if things keep up as they have been, which I hope they do, because my friends and I are trying to go to the beach. So I think that's literally just about everything. I don't think there's much more that I could even conceivably show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that little look around my room. I showed some of the funny parts from my move-in vlog on TikTok, like where I got stuck behind my bed and where I was like trying to move around my desk and it almost fell over on me, which was so fun. And you guys were like, oh my gosh, Krystle, your room is so tiny. Your room is microscopic. Now I understand what colleges mean when they say shoebox-sized dorms. Like, wow, it's infinitesimal. It can't be seen with the naked eye. I mean, I think it's okay. It's not my first choice now, but I'm happy with it. Like, I think it turned out pretty cute, if I do say so myself. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your favorite part of the room and how you want to decorate your room when you have a dorm room. Or if you already have a dorm room, tell me how you decorated yours. Give me some dorm inspo, guys. I'm so ready for it. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. I do half a heart because I'm holding my phone.